Galileo, where I work to create programs that help kids grow into innovators.
Innovators like me.
Exactly. We're here with today's Project Challenge. We're gonna create muffins with a crumble topping.
Yum.
For this challenge, our goal is to make delicious muffins that use at least 2 fun flavors that we don't always use when baking muffins. To do this, you'll need to be courageous by picking flavor combinations that you haven't tried before. If you usually go for a blueberry muffin or a chocolate chip muffin, now's your chance to try something new. Arlene and I will give you an overview of the process, and then you can follow the recipe that goes along with this video if you want to try it for yourself. To get started, you'll need permission from a grown-up to use the kitchen for a while. And the following ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, butter or margarine, 1 egg or egg replacer, and your choice of milk. But these aren't ordinary muffins. This is your chance to be courageous and pick fun flavors to add to your base muffin mixture and crumble topping. Brainstorm different flavor combinations by making a list of what's available in your pantry. This could be fruit, vegetables, spices, and herbs from your garden. Now be courageous and pair flavors together that you've never tasted in a muffin. Arlene decided to go with orange mango muffins with a ginger crumble topping that we've never tried before. If your flavors need special prep, now's the time to get those ready. We are using an orange zest, so we will zest our orange. Make sure to rotate your fruit so you're using the bright colored peel and not the white underneath. Now it's time to get busy baking. Preheat the oven to 375. Get 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. If it isn't soft, you can use a butter knife to cut butter into small pieces. Put in a large mixing bowl and beat at low speed until creamy and whipped. We have a stand-up mixer, but you can also use a handheld mixer too. Add sugar to your butter and use your mixer to cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add 1 beaten egg or egg replacer, milk, we are using oat milk, baking powder, and salt. Mix together until smooth. Now's the time to add in your fun flavors. Add any spices, herbs, or vanilla that you've chosen to your mixture and use your mixer to beat the ingredients to combine. If you are using cheese, now is the time to mix that in using your mixer. Using a spatula or spoon, mix in 1 cup of flour until fully combined. Be sure not to overmix. Get your add-ins ready. Safely chop up or have a grown-up chop up your fruit or shred your veggies as needed. Gently fold in your add-in into the batter, being careful not to overmix. When you overmix dough, you risk overworking your gluten, making your finished product tough and gummy. With muffins, you want to mix gently for a tender taste. Stir until the flour has just disappeared. Don't worry about leaving a few lumps. Now distribute your batter into 8 to 10 muffin cups or tins. Set aside your muffins to create the crumble topping. To create your crumble topping, you will get 2 tablespoons of butter and add it to a hard-sided mixing bowl. Next, get a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of flour, and your fun flavor ingredient option. We're adding ground ginger. Put it into the mixing bowl with the butter. Use a metal fork to mash butter into dry ingredients. Keep at it, scraping off the fork as needed, until most of the mixture is in small bead-sized pieces. Now it's time to sprinkle your crumbles onto your muffins. Spoon crumbles onto the top of each unbaked muffin, distributing evenly across muffins. It's about 1 tablespoon of crumbles per muffin. Bake for 25 minutes at 375 degrees. You can use the bake time to start cleaning up the kitchen, or having a dance party, or both. After 25 minutes, poke a toothpick into the center of each muffin. If it comes out clean, they're done. If there are wet crumbs or batter on the toothpick, bake for 3 more minutes and check again. When they're done, place on a cooling rack or other safe spot to allow your muffins to cool. Enjoy your muffins and unique flavor explosion. Give yourself a pat on the back for being courageous. We're really glad we stretched ourselves to try orange mango flavored muffins with the ginger crumble. Turns out they're delicious. We hope you'll try some courageous flavor ideas too. Your taste buds will thank you.
Get it? Taste buds, because we're buddies.
Okay, that's it for this challenge. If you made your own muffins with your own fun flavors, we'd love to see a photo or video of it, so please share. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Mom!